Hey folks, so I missed this one thing about preparing for marathons. So while prepping for marathons, I think I was talking about accessories, right? It's also important to understand things like I've seen people wear headbands. I think it helps with absorbing sweat. People wear like things on their hand completely for absorbing sweat again. I think, and if you have any knee pain or like ensure that your running doesn't affect your like body, like say your knees and all, like doesn't cause problems. But in case you need some support for your knee, wear knee support, knee brace and all. Understand all of that. And for your running, the one of the most important things is like looking at your shoe and all, right? So I've been told that it's important to wear a good shoe with good cushioning and all. I'm still new to the whole idea of understanding shoes and how it helps with running, but I'm sure it helps the comfort and whatnot, right? And the friction between the shoe and the wherever you're running, say running tracks or roads for marathons and all that. So that also matters. So I mean, assuming you are very serious about marathons, then while prepping for marathons, look for your accessories and understand how your shoes also matter, and like what socks you're wearing and like how comfortable it is, how is it helping you run and how is it not hindering you to run. Like it shouldn't hinder you to run, right? Of course. Similarly, I spoke about t-shirt and all. Same thing for shorts and whatnot. So whatever you wear while you're running, ensure that it's comfortable and it's not hindering you. So this also includes things like say spectacles and all that. Whatever you're wearing, right? So anything other than your body itself. And if you have long hair and it's going to hinder you, see how you can wear say something to ensure that it's not moving too much and whatnot. It's comfortable to run. And for your spectacles, for example, I am comfortable wearing spectacles and running. But if you think spectacles are not comfortable and you have an option of wearing contact lens, I don't know if it's actually a good idea to wear contact lens in general and for running and all. So something to check out. So look out for all that and understand before you do something. I'm very comfortable running with my specs. Actually, previously my old specs, it was pretty loose. If I just do this very quickly, it'll just fall off. The specs will fall off. So of course it's not comfortable for running. It'll just fall off. The other thing being, if I'm sweating too much, it can fall on my spectacles and all. So the sweat can fall off in my spectacles. But that's fine. I usually have a spectacle cloth that I can use to clean my spectacles, because usually cleaning it with my t-shirt and all, it's not a good idea, because my t-shirt will have particles that will actually scratch the glass that my spectacles have, and it'll then, once the glass is scratched, then the vision will be hindered. So yeah. So I use a separate cloth to clean the spectacles. I usually have it on me. Like today when I was running for the TCS World 10K, I was having it. So look at your accessories while you're running and ensure it's smooth and comfortable, and preferably even helping you run more and better than if you weren't actually using those accessories. And of course it shouldn't hinder you from running. So for best performance, assuming you are actually very serious and want to win the race or want to work on your pace and whatnot. So yeah, so that's something that I missed. I was going to talk about it, but then I forgot. So yeah, cool, then see you on the next one. Bye bye.